Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comma Design. Today I'm going to be talking about 2025 planners. Now I know that there's going to be people that are doing their unboxings and this is the planners that I've ordered, blah blah blah. I'm still in a space, and it's perfectly okay if you are too, where I don't know exactly what I'm using for 2025. So I thought I would share my, again, this is like a brain dump session, and I'm just going to put, again, this is just in the back of my planner, 2025 planners. And I'm just going to brainstorm what I think I'm going to use. And again, I Frankenplan, so I have, I think 3 planners in here. I'm going to have one that is going to be Frankenplanner, what I want in there, and what I'm going to use for next year, and possibly the layout that it's going to be. I'm currently using a dashboard for my catch-all, a vertical for my wellness. I will be keeping that. So I'm going to put wellness, vertical. That is definitely staying. And then my journal, I'm currently using dot grid, and I think I'm going to stay with that, question mark for that. I'm not 100% sure. My catch-all, I am using the dashboard. I think I'm going to stay with that, and I have a planner for that. And that is this one. I have one, this is for 2024. I'm just going to redate this for 2025, and then I think we'll be good. I think we'll be good with that. So I think I'm going to use that one. I'm just going to put joy. This one is going to be expired. So I know that I've got those. The journal I'm not sure on. And then I'm going to, for my tarot, currently I'm using the horizontal. I'm going to use the skinny. We're going to give it a go. I've been using this. This is one that I picked up on sale. I don't know when this was from. Is this a 24? Question mark. This is a 2023. I've got a couple of skinnies. I did buy one that was the celestial type line. I can't think which one it was, but I think I'm going to use this for my tarot. I have bought some stamps. I don't know if you can see that. So they've got the cards on them, just so that I'm not using all of my space. And my plan is, what I might do is just stamp a bunch ahead of time on some sticker paper so that I have them done. And then I've got pentacles, swords, wands and cups here. And I might just do some numbers, like stamped numbers to go with those. That is my plan, kind of my plan. I'm going to use those in here. So I will leave a link to these in the description. But yeah, I just bought them on Amazon. They were like $5. So that is my plan. I think I'm going to use this. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it, and that's what it's about. Tarot, skinny, and it's the celestial one. I don't know what that is. Celestial. And we're going to put stamps so that I actually remember to do the stamping. And then the other thing that I wanted to talk about was my business planner. Now I mentioned previously that I've been using the monthlies. I'm just going to share November right now. I've been using the monthlies and I hadn't been using the weeklies. What I've started doing is this, and having it as a checklist each week. This is working beautifully. I'm going to adapt the planner that Shelley sent me, which is the vertical. I'm going to do checklist. It's like a project planner. That's what I'm going to put there. Project planner. That's not going to fit in there. And that's going to be the old shell. I'm just going to put Shelley redate. I'll know what I mean by that. And then the other thing that I want to do is, because I'm using one of the skinnies, you know that I've been doing my dog planner a little bit. I want to bring that back, and it might be in this. It might be as a skinny. or I'm going to try and incorporate it into my catch-all. Try. Other than that, I'm going to do Project Life. That's going to be in a big. That's going to be just the bones. I'm going to put expired planner. And do Project Life. I'm going to do one little word. That will be rings. I don't know why I like rings for that. It just feels like everything's more secure. I think that's it. The other thing that I was going to say was, like we've talked about this before, but the Fly Lady stuff. At the beginning of my planner, I have this. This is my Fly Lady sheets. I like this. I just feel like the system works until it doesn't. It works until it doesn't. So what my plan is, because the whole premise is that, you know, like these 2 days would be the entryway and the front, and then you got zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, and zone 5. What I'm going to do next year, I think, is rather than have this, I'm going to have a full week of full week of the entryway, the front garden, the driveway, the garage, and stuff like that. Then I will have my kitchen, the laundry, and dining room. Then I will have the living room, the entryway, and the hallway. Then I will have my bathroom, this room, and the spare room. Then I'll have the bedroom. I just feel like trying to fit it all in 1 month is ridiculous. So I'm going to just go to 1 week in each room. That's what I'm thinking for Fly Lady. I'm going to keep my book tracker. What I'm thinking of starting is a standalone book tracker. So what I might do is put that in here. And I'll just put I might make that a happy note. Happy notes. I've got tons of those. I need to buy this. I've got book tracker for happy notes. So I'm going to put Fly Lady in here. Fly Lady sheets. Book tracker. And what else do I have in there? Goals, I think, right now. I do not look at the goals. I just don't look at them. But this, I love. I love this. I just wish it had been its own thing. And I think that's what I will do next year. I'm just going to do a standalone book tracker, and that is something that will progress. Because I've loved this, and I think I want to just take them out of here and then put them in their own book tracker, and maybe have like years, put the years on here. See, that I'm just thinking out loud. I think that's going to work. I think we're going to do that. Book tracker, and then I'm going to put goals. Then we'll have the catch-all, the wellness, journal in there, and brain dump. I think so far that is it. I'm going to put maybe skinny dog planner. That needs to go somewhere, and I just don't know where it's going to go. It needs to go somewhere. I just don't know where right now. The other thing is I just feel like putting it in somewhere else, like in one of these. It just seems a lot. Other than that, I think that's it. That is my thoughts for 2025. The only thing that I need to buy, planner-wise, is something for one little word, and we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I think that's it. I want you to let me know if you're making any planner changes in 2025, but I think that is my deal. I'm going to have this as a standalone planner, and then this as a standalone planner, and then those will get funneled into there. Oh, and book tracker, yeah. I hope this just showed you how I think about things. Again, I'm considering this, but I think these are figured out. I just need to figure out whether I'm going to do my journal as dot grid. And the more that I think about it, the more I'm just like, it's worked this year. I tried doing different layouts this year and I don't like it. I'm just going to put that in. dot grid, and I will use an expired planner with all the dividers, and that is fine. And that is fine. So yes, I think I'm set. I don't need any planners, and the only thing that I need to buy is some kind of ring binder for one little word next year, depending on what size I do. I do like the half letter size though, so probably stick with the same size. All right, that is my brain dump of how I'm thinking about my 2025 planners. This will just stay in my brain dump section, which is what this is, my brain dump section. I hope this just showed you that you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of stuff. Figure out what's working, what's not working, what are you going to change, are you going to try something new? And if you have old planners, are you going to redate them and use them instead of buying some new stuff? Because that's what I'm doing. This is a I ain't buying anything new kind of video. So yes. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.